Okay, so let me start today's session. Welcome to GATE Solution Academy. Today we are discussing today we are discussing importance of GATE in higher education and in PSU. Okay, so myself Professor Hitesh. So I have more than 15 years of teaching experience, and I am IIT BHU alumni and director GATE Solution Academy. Okay, so first of all, let me see what is GATE examination. Okay, so the full form of GATE is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. Okay, this is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. Okay, so the next is, it is conducted by IISc Bangalore and other 7 IITs, old IITs. Okay, and under the Department of Education, Ministry of MHRD. Okay, these are under the MHRD. Okay, so in GATE examination, candidates can apply for 2 of the 23 paper in this year only. This introduced. So now candidate can apply for the 2 subjects. Okay, initially it was only 1 subject. Okay, so now we have seen what is GATE. Now let me see why GATE. Okay, so GATE exam is important because of below mentioned factors. The factors are number one is Master of Technology. Okay, so campus placement, national, international, private or public companies also. So with the help of GATE examination, first of all, we can go to higher education in IITs, in NITs, in IIITs. Okay, and at the same time, we can get a very good job in at the national institute, private institute, and international institute. Okay, so in PSU and research organizations also, they required GATE score, whether it is IOCL, it is NTPC, it is BHEL, it is PGCIL, it is DRDO, BARC, everywhere nowadays we required to have clear the GATE score, good GATE score, then only the students can appear for interview in this following PSUs. Okay, all the PSUs nowadays, initially PSUs used to come to IITs, but nowadays they all have to clear the GATE examination to join the PSU. Okay, so also with the help of GATE examination, a student can appear for the interviews for IITs and NITs and other reputed educational institutes for the post of faculties. Okay, also for the post of junior research fellow, also for the post of senior research fellow as such. Okay, yes, junior research fellow in ISRO, in DRDO, BARC, CSIR, and different IITs. Okay, so different IITs also having this junior and senior research fellow, this one posts. Okay, so in career in research and development also we required GATE examination to clear. Okay, so this is nothing but the what we can get with the help of GATE examination also, but the main advantage what we can get is technical value addition. Okay, so the syllabus of GATE we will see in the following slides. So the complete 4-year syllabus, whatever you study in your engineering exam, that mastering of those subjects will be required in clearing the GATE. Okay, so as much you study your technical subjects with the more and more technical details, you can get very good rank in GATE examination. Also with the help of that, you can achieve all this mentioned. We can see job in career research and development, either it is in ISRO, DRDO, everywhere. So technical value addition and TIFR also. Okay, so now GATE eligibility. See, initially it was only final year student of engineering and passed out. Now 3rd year students can also appear for the examination in the 3rd year. Okay, so now if those students will clear the GATE examination in 3rd year, they can get admission after 1 year also, because GATE exam, that scorecard is valid for 2 to 3 years. That okay, so clearing the GATE examination this year, and they can in final year they can enjoy and they can get the good college and good job also. Okay, so Also this is not for engineering students, that is for science students. So BSc plus MSc they can give GATE examination. So BCA and MCA they can give examination. That is for not for engineering students. Okay. So now what is the GATE exam pattern? Okay. So you can write it down also. Very important. Let me discuss it in detail. So first thing is total questions. You can see it here. It is 65 questions. Total marks 100 marks. Total duration 3 hours. So 65 questions, 3 hours means what, 180 minutes. So approx 2 point, we can say 2 to 3 minutes, in between 2 to 3 minutes for the all questions. That is 65 questions. So for that you have to master in speed and also accuracy. But I always prefer accuracy. But slowly if you will be accurate, definitely your speed will also increase. Okay. So the marks distribution and question of number will be distributed according to topic. So first question number 1 to 10, it is of general aptitude. The total marks is 10. The question per marks per question will be 1 or 2. Okay. So 5 questions, 1 marks, 5 marks, and 5 questions, 2 marks, it is 10. So total is 15 marks. Then technical plus engineering mathematics. So from question after 10 it is 11 2, but generally again they start from the 1. So from 1 to 25 it is 25 marks, 1 marks question, total marks is 25. And from 26 to 55 it is 30 number of questions and 2 marks per question, so it is 60 marks. Okay. So we can say technical session 70 marks, general aptitude 15 marks, and engineering mathematics 15 marks. So only general aptitude and engineering mathematics will give you 30 marks. That is more than enough to clear the GATE examination, minimum cutoff. So only general aptitude and engineering mathematics can give you the scorecard. Okay. So nowadays NAT type of question, that is numerical answer type question. What does it mean? There are objective type of question in which there are 4 options. We have to select one. First one question. Second one is numerical answer type. So we have to put the answer. Okay, like 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, whatever, 2, 0. So these are the number we have to enter. Now this year one more type of question is introduced, that is nothing but the multiple answer. So like in IIT JEE, A and B, okay, so A and B both are answer. So like that question also introduced this year. Okay. Okay, so that is named multiple selective question. Okay, so let me, okay, so the next is, this is the GATE exam pattern. Okay, so now let me come to our main objective, subjects and mark distribution. Okay, so this is the marks distribution. Let me discuss it in detail. So first one is network theory. I always prefer this subject, most advantageous and most, we can say, important. Okay, so advantageous because it will give you, because of only network analysis you can cover EDC, you can cover analog, okay, you can cover signal system, you can cover control system, you can control everything. Network theory is strong, engineering mathematics is strong. It means clear cut you can achieve very good rank in the GATE examination. So first preference I always give is engineering mathematics, because see, in network theory you are having Laplace transform, okay, you are having KVL, KCL, matrix, determinant, all type of things will be there. So if you are enough strong in mathematics, then you can achieve all the things very nicely, because in communication probability will be there, in control system Laplace is most of the part, in signal system discrete system and Laplace, Fourier, all will be mathematical things, Fourier series. Okay. Okay, so let me discuss chapter subject by subject. So okay, so most important is engineering mathematics. How much marks? That is, we have seen around 15 marks, that is around 10.3%. It varies. Okay, this is for particular year, last year. So this is 10.3% of the engineering mathematics. Okay, this is 10.3%. Now General aptitude, you all have to study, that is around 15%. Okay, that is also, so these two are we have to study in common. Okay, and general aptitude we don't have to give so much stress, so much time, only if required weekly 1 to 2 hours, if you can give with your friends, if you can discuss with your friends, you can send the question on the WhatsApp group and you all can discuss, that is more than sufficient. So वैसे ही we have started every Wednesday evening we are starting general aptitude, so there is no issue, I will cover that. Okay, engineering mathematics may I will discuss syllabus in detail also, but engineering mathematics will be the base of the complete all branches GATE examination. Okay, so mastering engineering mathematics is must. Okay, then for EC, definitely network theory is the most important, because it is 11%. Okay, but this is directly 11%. Okay, but indirectly I can say it is 30 to 40%. In EDC, you would like to calculate, let us say, biasing of BJT. Okay, BJT biasing. So what it will be there? Only KVL and KCL. That is nothing but network theory. In analog circuits, if it is op-amp, then you have to apply that virtual ground fundamental. For that you require KCL, isn't it? In signal system, you will be having Laplace is there. Laplace is in network also. So Laplace transform is common in network, in signal, in control, and in engineering mathematics. So that's why I always prefer to study by the GATE syllabus and topic wise. Okay, before that, let me see how much is the percentage of individual topic in GATE syllabus. Okay, so network theory is around how much we have seen, that is 11.1%. EDC, that is C, for electrical people, electronic device and circuits, analog are mixed. Okay, so analog plus electronics will give you around 20%. This mix will give 20%. That is huge. Okay, analog and EDC, sorry, this is analog and EDC. So analog and EDC will give you 20%. We will discuss what are the books we should study to be master of these subjects. Okay, then digital circuits, that is around 5.9%, and this subject is must. Actually, see, there are some subjects which will give you advantage. Advantage means all cannot solve the questions of that subject. Okay, those subjects are rank booster subjects, but some subjects are there which everybody can solve. Okay, so those subject mastering is required to be at some particular level, some origin. Okay, so that we can say yes, you stand in competition. So there are some subjects which we have to prepare to be in competition. Then if you want to be in top 100, if you want to be in top 1000, then you have to work more and more. Okay, you have to study more and more. Okay, then signal system, that is around 8.9%. So see, I always suggest my students that signal systems, network theory, and control system, you cannot differentiate these three subjects, and you must not. In GATE examination, all 6 to 5 questions will come together. Okay, so never differentiate in these three subjects. Study these three subjects topic wise all together. Okay, don't say ki I am completing network, then I will go for control, then I will go for system. No, take one topic of network like two-port theory of network, then jump to Fourier transform, then jump to state space analysis of control system, like this. Okay, so network, control, and signal, we can see these three subjects will give you around 11.8%, and then signal system is around 8.9%, control system 8. So 9 plus 9 plus 11, 18 plus 11 is how much? So it is 18 plus 11, that is 29%. Around 30% syllabus is network, signal, and control. Okay, then communication system. Okay, this is the most important subject for the EC. Okay, because this is the rank booster subject, and this is infinite subject. I can say infinite knowledge is required. But for the GATE examination, we can say we will suggest you some books also, and definitely what Abhilash sir will take, the question will not go beyond that. Okay, that is my surety. Then EMT is around 9.4%, and sometimes it can increase. So we have to be very cautious in EMT because all cannot solve these questions. Literally, this subject is fundamental, because from the very first year of engineering, people used to go away from the vectors, from the EMT, because it is very difficult to understand. Okay, so but definitely in our class we used to start with the DC Pandey book of the class 12, and slowly we can move to Sadiku, and then we can solve all the previous year GATE questions. So EMT is definitely our sure shot. Just be patient. So we will cover EMT, no issue. And microprocessor, that is around very less percent, but 1-2 question can come. So we have to prepare this also. So these are the only mark distribution. Now we will see how we can prepare it. Okay, so let me clear this. So the next is, yes, now we will discuss complete engineering mathematics syllabus. Okay, first of all, it is linear algebra. We have completed this, and linear algebra, it means it is vector spaces, basis, linear dependence and independence, matrix algebra, eigenvalues and eigenvectors, rank, solution of linear equation, existence and uniqueness. This is the syllabus of linear algebra. So mainly it is matrix. So I suggest previous year question papers and BS Grewal is a good enough book for the linear algebra topic. Okay. Second is calculus. Definitely we have done a lot in this, and we are sure that we have done almost every questions of the previous year GATE, every question of BS Grewal. So for mathematics, previous year GATE questions and BS Grewal is more than sufficient. Okay, and some previous year EAC question we should also appear. See, the professor who made questions for GATE and for EAC are mostly common. Okay, so if we will cover previous year EAC syllabus also, that is engineering syllabus exam also, so definitely the rate of success will increase. The reason behind that is in 2001 there was one question on the maximum power transfer, and same question was repeated, was asked in 1991 in EAC. So 2001, and that is GATE question. That was same question as 91 in EAC. Okay, so as such, if we will solve previous year EAC question also, that is definitely very much advantageous. Okay, so the topic is linear algebra, then calculus, then differential equations. Okay, so these are the 3 topics for the engineering mathematics part 1. Okay, part 1, yes. And then engineering mathematics is vector analysis. This vector analysis we must be very much master, because for ECE student this is the basis for the EMT. So as much you are stronger in vector analysis, that much you are good in EMT. Okay, then complex analysis. In complex analysis, one residual will be there, and residue theorem will be there, Taylor and Lorentz series will be there. So this is also good topic. Then numerical methods, that is solving, how to solve differential equation, Gauss-Seidel method. Then for electrical students this is very important, because numerical method will be required in the load flow analysis. Okay, and then probability and statistics. So probability is very, very important for mainly for CS students. For EC students it is also required in the part of maths, but it is also very much required for the communication. Okay, so probability is also very much required to study very easily. You can study communication if you are good in probability. Okay, so these are the engineering mathematics. Then networks. Okay, so in network analysis we are having, see, in network analysis the main people where do mistake is time domain analysis and transient. Okay, so you can see time domain analysis of simple linear circuits, solution of network equation using Laplace transform. Okay, so if you will see full second order control system, so complete second order control system is based on this one. Okay, that is the one step more. So see, you will start signal system, LTI system, linear time invariant system in signal system. You start with that using Shom series. Okay, Shom series is good for signal system. Then you jump to network and you will solve solution of network equation using Laplace transform. Okay, so for this we have a book that is available on our app. At the same time, the very good book for it is Amy Van Valkenburg, and also we have the solution of complete Valkenburg. Okay, so first of all, LTI system of signal system, then solution of network equation using Laplace transform in network, and then we jump to control system, that is time response analysis of control system. So these three topics we must always study together. So this is the main topic where people do mistakes. Okay, then it is Y delta transformation, then steady state sinusoidal study means phasor analysis wala portion. Then theorems are very much important. Okay, so people nowadays some dependent sources are more coming, so we have to be more cautious in the theorem part. Okay, and see, in Thevenin's theorem, when dependent source are there, that time we are shorting only uh, independent voltage source, and independent current source will be open circuited. But sometime people do mistake whenever they deals with the sources of dependent sources. So we have to be cautious, we have to do more practice, and we have to write down कि yes, I can do mistake here, dependent source आएंगे, so I can do mistake. So you should do preparation, extra question you must solve. Okay, that's why I always prefer topic wise test. Okay, as we have completed solution of network equation using Laplace transform, this test we have completed. Transient test, oh okay, transient we have completed. Okay, now frequency domain analysis of RL circuit. See, frequency domain means simply S equal to j omega. Okay, so S equal to j omega we do in Bode plot, we do in Nyquist plot, isn't it? So frequency domain analysis of RL circuit, that is in network, also correlate with the control system. So that's why I always tell network, control and signal we must study all together. Okay, this is nodal analysis, all can do. This is very basic, we all must know. So for this I prefer always the best book is M.E. Valkenburg. Okay, this is best book for this. Okay, and our lectures are definitely I also cover I always cover this one only. Okay, so this is nothing but in network analysis, and this is around 11% of the subject. Okay, and state equation of network. So this is the common part, again common part of C, state equation of network. So you will write x dot equal to x plus b in this pattern. So if it is U also, that will be control system. Okay, then it's observability, controllability. So state equation for network, and then control system state space analysis. We join this also, so that the two subjects will cover, or three subjects will cover together. Okay, so the next is signal system. Definitely, let me write it. Okay, so see, for EC students, see, this is Fourier series, that is in mathematics also, and Fourier transform. So Shom series for signal system is more than enough for this one. For practicing Fourier series, you must cover BS Grewal. So BS Grewal say Fourier series questions, Fourier transform also. Okay, so Fourier transform we should cover with the Salvi-Vanan. See, you have studied DSP. You all have studied DSP, data signal processing. So we have one book for DSP, that is Salvi-Vanan. So for DSP, that book is there. So I used to cover Fourier transform from that book only. Okay, that is one of the best book for the Fourier transform. So Fourier transform different from the different books. We have to pick the best one. Okay. At the same time, one RP Singh book is there, Singh and Sapre, that is for analog communication. So if you will solve Fourier transform for your signal system, that Fourier transform will be used in communication also. Okay, so we have to club subjects, we have to club the subjects. Okay, and from the different book we have to cover this. Okay, then sampling theorem and application, discrete time signals, discrete time Fourier transform, and DFT, FFT. Okay, Z transform. In Z transform, people do always mistake in the ROC. So for Z transform, we have to mix mathematics Z transform. At the same time, we must complete Z transform from the, again, this DSP book. Okay, that is quite good book, Salvi Vanan. Okay, so don't worry, I used to cover Z transform from this book only. Okay, then interpolation of discrete time signals. Okay, LTI systems, yes, definition and properties, stability, impulse response, convolution, poles and zeros, parallel cascade structure, frequency response. Okay, as I told, frequency response is common in network also. Impulse response means output of the system when input is impulse, that is nothing but HT of the control system. What we say GS na, that is the Laplace of H of T. Okay, so that is nothing but the plant control system, plant transfer function. Okay, then group delay, phase delay, digital filter design techniques. Okay, so this is very we can say only 1 to 2 question, means this is very important, but the question is not as much we can see from this topic, but definitely we have to be cautious for this topic also. Okay, so this is control system, this is signal system. Now next is, it is EDC. Okay, so it is nothing but the electronic devices and circuits, electronic devices. Yes, so in electronic devices, see, one is electronic device, another is analog circuit. Okay, the difference between these two is, you are having PN junction. If you are having PN junction, if you study of PN junction, its depletion layer, its intrinsic and extrinsic silicon, carrier transport, diffusion current, drift current, mobility, resistivity, then it is called electronic devices. So how devices is work. Okay, so inside of devices, then definitely VLSI, very important topic. Okay, so oxidation, diffusion, ion implantation. Okay, this is nothing but the all CMOS processes. Okay, so this is nothing but comes under electronic devices. Okay,
सर ये वाला पार्ट भी निकल गया है, वो लास्ट वाला जो है ना.
Okay,
और
yes.
सर सिग्नल सिस्टम में.
Okay, so where we were, yes, so yes, so this topic is not in GATE 21. Okay, this topic is removed from GATE 21. Yes, so now PN junction. Okay, so what we are discussing, that inside electronic devices comes in this topic. Okay, so for this we required exponential mathematics, and this thing we have to be master, and for this I suggest for EDC and analog, Ballstead is more than good book. Okay, this is very good book. Okay, so yes, this Ballstead we must study. Okay, and also previous year GATE questions. Okay, and what Abhilash sir is teaching, that is good enough for the EDC also. Yes, then analog circuits. So in analog circuits, op-amp is the most important. See, the most important is op-amp. So you must practice op-amp as much as possible, and you should study the op-amp with the help of control system also. Okay, it means, see, we have solved so many questions for op-amp. Okay, so op-amp means if a resistor is there, capacitor is there, one circuit is there, so one is grounded, so the relation between output and input. Okay, so this type of different question we must solve for the understanding of op-amp before going to this detail, other details, active filter कैसे बनता है. For that, this is RC filter. हम RC की वैल्यू चेंज करेंगे तो वो इंटीग्रेटर डिफरेंशिएटर बनेगा. If it is op amp, then it is called active filter. So you should always merge passive filter and active filter. So passive filter you should take from the sinusoidal steady state analysis of the network, club it with the filter of the signal, and then simultaneously you must study op amp ka active filter. Okay, then now BJT, DC analysis, AC analysis, some part is also removed from this GATE 21. Okay, this 555 is also removed from GATE 21. See how much lucky you are. So 555 is also removed from GATE 21. Okay, so now BJT and MOSFET amplifiers is there. Amplifier is also very much important for this. Okay, then next is simple diode circuits, clipping and clamping and rectifiers. Okay, so see, for this I suggest Bolstead is also very good book. Okay, so for the questions we should complete the previous year GATE questions, and SHOM series for this topic is also very good. SHOM series is also very good for practicing this type of question, or the summary of that book I am providing you, but still these are the good books for the general public. Okay, so those are not studying this one, so they can get the SHOM series and they can study there also. Okay, otherwise I am giving you pre here. Okay, so voltage, this is also removed, I guess, you know, this part is also not in this syllabus.
और
Okay.
सर
Okay, so this voltage reference circuit and power supplies, and this is also the part is reduced. Okay, so next is digital circuits. For digital circuits, yes, so okay, so next is digital circuits. So this is very see, digital circuit is most easy and most we can say scoring subject. Okay, so all can solve these questions, all can study this. So Salvi Vanan or Maurice Meno, both are good book, but Salvi Vanan I prefer because we can say I have seen so many questions from that book, unsolved and solved. Our student used to solve that. Okay, so last year all students they have solved this, so they can see the some questions from that book also. So Salvi Vanan I prefer of digital circuits, and also some topic of computer system organization, CSO is also introduced in the GATE syllabus, but I guess the part of it is very less. So okay, we will discuss in detail also. So the next is the digital circuit. Yes, this is removed now. This is our microprocessor is not in now syllabus. Okay, so next is control system, most important we can say after network. Okay, so as we can see, state variable in network we have seen. So now it is state variable model. If it is, we will take current in inductor. If we will take voltage across capacitor, ILD VC dot T means DIL by dt, DVC by dt. So these are the state variable we use in network, and in control I will write it X dot. So instead of IL or VC, I will write X dot. So X dot equal to AX plus BU. Okay, so this is nothing but the state variable model. So, and solution of state equation, this is based on the Laplace. So you must be very good in Laplace. I must say पूरा की पूरा ग्रेवाल का Laplace, or either do that or attend my lecture, attend my 2 to 3 lecture around 1.5 hour each. So within 5 hours we will be good enough in the Laplace, and we can solve each and every question of the signal, control and the network. So use of Laplace in the electrical network. Okay, so in electrical network Laplace we have completed. In mathematics I will take revision of Laplace, this one. Okay, so complete Laplace I will take again, and then use of that Laplace in control system. See, almost 3 chapters are based on the Laplace. Around this transient and steady state analysis, time response analysis, that is completely Laplace transform. Okay, then after Laplace transform, frequency response, that is Nyquist, Bode, these are based on the frequency response. For root locus, that is different techniques we have seen already. Lead and lag compensation, again we required Bode plot will be used in lead and lag compensation. Then RH criteria, that is for stability. Okay, SFG is very easy topic, only 2 hours will be required. Masson-Kern formula is there. Only 2 hours is more than sufficient for signal flow graph, I must tell you. Okay, block diagram representation, very less question you can see in the complete previous year GATE questions, but we will study it and we will give it later on, we will finish it. So we will give it very less weightage. Okay, transfer function is yes, very important. Feedback principle, see, because of feedback, we can say time constant reduces. So we can say time to reach 37% and like this. So rise time will improve with the help of feedback. So this type of question we have seen in IN. So the most advantageous thing I must suggest, that if you are studying the control system, always people used to tell, sir, we don't have questions. So why not you solve control system GATE previous year question? If you are from EC branch, solve questions of EE also, solve questions of IN also. See, in IN, op-amp questions are very tough. So if EC people or electrical people will solve tough questions of IN also, that is for op-amp, that is advantageous. So almost you will see every topic, if 100 to 200 question you are solving, that is good enough minimum for getting the complete feel of the subject of topic. Okay, so if it is op-amp, then you can solve all questions of IN, of all questions of EE, all questions of EC. So it is these 3 combined branches will give you around 150 questions from 91 to 2020. Okay, so questions are, we have to learn like this only, you know? So we have to combine with other branches also. Okay, so this is for control system, and I always suggest the best book is BS Manke, and the summary of BC Kuo I am already providing you in the class. And for question, BS Manke is very good book. Okay, so my notes are based on the BC Kuo, Ogata, and this BS Manke, and one more book is there, that is Abdul Hamid, but that is for means not very high book, but the questions are very good in that. Okay, so that is good for practice. Okay, so now is communication. For communication, BP Lathi or Shom series or only Abhilash sir lectures, more than enough. Okay, for this he will complete communication part. He will take care of communication, this complete communication part. Okay, so for this, see, so communication is also very much important. Percentage you have seen, it is around 12 to 13%. So for studying this complete communication, see, before that you have to be very good in the, see, you can see signals through LTI system, so and random signals. So probability you must be very good. Properties of white noise. So for noise is the part of signal system. A complete chapter is there. Okay, so one noise is there and one sampling is there. So sampling is complete part of Shom series book in the signal system. Okay, so we have to be master on that also. Okay, and for the students who are not feel ki I am not very good in direct studying BPLAT, so for analog communication, digital communication, they must follow Singh and Sapre book. Okay, these are the books we can follow, but Abhilash sir will give you the summary of the complete communication system. Okay, and for the questions, we will provide you enough questions, but if you want extra questions, Shom series is very good book, that all questions of Shom series we should complete. So this part, which one is basics of TDMA, FDMA and CDMA is removed. This is also removed. Okay, yes. So for this, okay, so let me move ahead. Okay. So
सर
now,
ये FSK नहीं निकाले उन लोग ने.
अच्छा, okay. So only basics of TDMA, FDMA and CDMA removed, but this is there. Yes, this is not removed. Yes. Chali. So yes. So this is nothing but the complete syllabus. Now electromagnetics. For electromagnetics, let me tell you. Okay. So in electromagnetics only basics of radar is removed. Okay. So for this Maxwell equation is there. So for Maxwell equation, see, if you understand the del dot and del cross very nicely in the mathematics of the vector, then all Maxwell equation will be very much easily clear to you. Okay. Then it's differential form where we will use curl and dot, and integral form when we will use surface integral and volume integral. Okay. Their interpretation, yes, like displacement, current, and this interpretation we have to study. Yes. Then boundary conditions, definitely. Wave equation, Poynting vectors, plane waves and properties, reflection and refraction, polarization, phase and group velocity, propagation through various media. Yes. Skin depth. Okay. So till this time it is somewhat different. And then transmission line, equations, characteristic impedance, impedance matching, impedance transformation. Okay. So see, this topic is very much common with the power systems of electrical. Okay. So for this I will prefer book Stevenson. I will give summary of Stevenson. So electrical people and EC people will sit together and we will complete transmission line. Okay. So in transmission line, the mainly is based on the frequency and we can say wavelength. So with the based on this three type of system we will see, where one is lumped parameter can be used, one is different we can use the distributed parameter, and one is optical. Okay. So these three region we will see based on the frequency and is this wavelength this one relation. Okay. S parameter, Smith chart, waveguides. Okay. So this is also after this we will study. Okay. Then waveguides. So we can say ki waveguide means which guides the wave to propagate. Then modes, TEM, T11, T10. So I will give you very good insight of this. Then boundary conditions, cutoff frequencies, dispersion relations, antennas. Okay. So I must say this is quite tough syllabus, and for this the best book is William H. Head, then Sadiku and S.V. Kulkarni, and the solution of William H. Head unsolved, that is available to us. Okay. So we have the complete solution of that William H. Head and previous year GATE questions. These are the more than enough for the electromagnetics. Okay. Okay. So in waveguide only circular and rectangular, isn't it? It is only circular and rectangular it is mentioned in the new syllabus. Okay. Chalo. So this is nothing but the syllabus of electromagnetics. To understand this, first we have to be very much master in the vector analysis. Okay. So the main part, this is the syllabus we can see. So now for GATE 21, how we will prepare. Okay. So let me first, okay, this is very simple thing, that only multiple numerical answer type, and nowadays multiple multiple answers. So A and B also we have to select. Okay. Then hence only correct answer fetches marks. Okay. So see, many people do so many correct options, but because of negative marking they get the negative marks also. So you have to keep that in mind. No tukka, only in which you are sure shot, apply that. Okay. ऐसा ना हो कि ज्यादा करने के उसमें आप जो मार्क्स आ रहे हैं वो भी आप खो दें. So never try even in test series, जिसमें आप श्योर शॉट हैं उसी को ही आप क्लिक करिए. Okay, keep that in mind. Okay. Next is, yes, I always give it first preference, प्रैक्टिस प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स. इसलिए हम जब भी क्लास में करते हैं मैं सारे प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन पेपर लाइन से कराता हूँ. So practicing previous year question paper is must. That is previous year question paper of GATE and why not EAC also. So आपको जो क्वेश्चन मिल रहे हैं अभी टेस्ट में, that is almost EAC questions. All are EAC questions. Okay. So जो आपको EAC क्वेश्चन ही अभी आपको मैं टेस्ट में दे रहा हूँ. तो आपका गेट का तो हम क्लास में कर रहे हैं, EAC क्वेश्चन आप टेस्ट में कर रहे हैं. ओके. एनालाइज द वीक टॉपिक एंड कॉन्सेंट्रेट मोर ऑन दोस टॉपिक. डेफिनेटली अगर किसी का प्रोबेबिलिटी में टॉपिक परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन अच्छा नहीं है तो डेफिनेटली दे हैव टू स्टार्ट इट फ्रॉम द वेरी बेसिक. आप 10 की बुक उठा लीजिए, नो इशू. अगर आपको इंटीग्रेशन में प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है तो यू स्टार्ट विद 11th बुक, नो इशू. थोड़ा टाइम दीजिए, उसको कवर कंप्लीट करिए तो ही आगे बढ़िए, है ना. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट इज कैंडिडेट मस्ट ट्राई टू सॉल्व द पेपर्स इन अ गिवन टाइम. डेफिनेटली इसलिए तो टेस्ट सीरीज हम देते हैं. ओके. टाइम लिमिट में, परफेक्शन के साथ में, जीरो एरर के साथ में वी हैव टू परफॉर्म एज आइडियाज टू हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चन आर सॉल्व्ड विद इन द अलॉटेड टाइम. डेफिनेटली नहीं तो आप कर रहे हो एक्यूरेटली लेकिन आप पूरे 3 घंटे माना आपने 20 क्वेश्चन ही कर पाए, नहीं. सो वी हैव टू सॉल्व मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस विद इन अ टाइम. सो वी हैव टू प्रैक्टिस मोर एंड मोर. ओके. impart equal emphasis on both theory and numerical problem. Yes, definitely आपको theory भी पढ़ना है, आपको numerical भी maximum solve करना है. Okay. Yes. Now the next is browse through the GATE syllabus. ये तो हमने अभी बता ही दिया है आपको कौन किसका वेटेज कितना है ना. So we have already discussed what is the weightage, किस सब्जेक्ट का कितना वेटेज है. Okay. So उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही हमको पढ़ना है. We have to give more concentration on the subject which is more. See, network control signal altogether will give you more than 35%, 35%, है ना. And aptitude plus engineering method 30%. तो 65% आपका ऐसा ही हो गया जो मैं पूरा करा रहा हूँ. मैथमेटिक्स, एप्टीट्यूड, नेटवर्क कंट्रोल सिग्नल पूरा मैं ले रहा हूँ. 5 टॉपिक्स है, अराउंड 65% आपका हो गया. So 65% is very high percentage. आप इसमें मास्टरी कर लीजिए, nobody can stop you. Another topic you can digital हो गया 5 to 6%, है ना. As such EDC analog communication, then electromagnetics also I am taking care. So आपका electromagnetics अगर आपने include कर लिया तो फिर 11% हो गया. तो around 76% I am taking. आपको बस जो हम करा रहे हैं उसे साथ में करना है ना, और बिना वरी के जस्ट बी रेगुलर. ओके. ग्रुप स्टडी इफेक्टिव डेफिनेटली, इसलिए तो हम ग्रुप पे इतना एक्टिव रहते हैं व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे. सो ग्रुप स्टडी इज एन इफेक्टिव वे टू ब्रश अप नॉलेज अबाउट टेक्निकल टॉपिक्स with the fellow partners and also helps to explore new techniques and method to better understand topic. Definitely jo if Nachiket is solving with some different technique, if Abhinav is solving with other technique, if Akshay is solving with other technique, so we have to club those techniques also, है ना. and this is the जितना आप combine करेंगे उतना आपका knowledge बढ़ेगा. okay. do not make wild guesses. definitely negative marking है, तुक्का नहीं मार सकते. no wild guesses. prepare the list of important definition. yes, see, very important. आपके पास अगर हमने बात किया, if we will talk maximum power transfer theorem, so see, if it is only RL, if it is RL, so ये तो अब डिलीट हो गया है, so there is no meaning of this. okay. if you are having RL only, that time it is RTH. if it is DC circuit, if only RL and circuit is impedance, so RA will be mod ZTH. okay. if ZL is equal to ZTH conjugate, अगर जो लोड है वो भी रियल प्लस इमेजिनरी है एंड सोर्स भी रियल प्लस इमेजिनरी है तो ZTH conjugate. so like this maximum power transfer theorem, then P max in each case VTH square upon 4 RTH efficiency, like this very short notes आपको हर सब्जेक्ट के यू शुड प्रिपेयर. नेटवर्क हुआ, 2 पोर्ट नेटवर्क हुआ, नेटवर्क में 2 पोर्ट नेटवर्क में ऑल वाई जेड एच ए बी सी डी, उसका पूरा टेबल बना लो. व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन ऑल. ओके. सो प्रिपेयर द लिस्ट ऑफ इंपॉर्टेंट डेफिनेशंस, इक्वेशंस, डेरिवेशंस, थ्योरम्स, लॉस इन एवरी सब्जेक्ट. ओके. मान लीजिए आपके पास मैक्सवेल थ्योरम आ गई तो आप बिल्कुल साथ में करिए. डेल डॉट बी, डेल क्रॉस एच, डेल क्रॉस ई, डेल डॉट डी, साथ में लिखिए क्या क्या है साथ में. अगर आपको डेल है तो डेल को सब साथ में लिखिए. डेल के साथ में अगर फाई है तो इट विल बी वेक्टर, दैट विल बी कॉल्ड समथिंग. If it is del dot A, it will be called something. Del cross A, it is called curl, like that. So in such a way you have to write. And always see, I always prefer आप नोटबुक में मत लिखिए. You must be having open pages, है ना. जैसे वो आते हैं ना जो जीरोक्स के लिए पेजेस, वो लीजिए. मेक अ शॉर्ट नोट, 2 पेज लिया, स्टेपल किया, एक फाइल में रख दिया. फिर 2 पेज लिया, किया, उस फाइल में रख दिया. एंड टॉपिक वाइज. सो इफ अगर मान लीजिए मैंने आपके टेस्ट लिया नेटवर्क थ्योरम का एंड ट्रांजिएंट का एंड टू पोर्ट का, तो आप इन तीनों टॉपिक के अलग अलग सेपरेट निकाल के कर सकें. अगर आप नोटबुक लेंगे तो नोटबुक में देखा ना नचिकेत का कॉपी. सो नोटबुक में तो फिर थोड़ी देर अच्छा होता है, देन बिगड़ जाता है. लेकिन अगर इफ यू आर हैविंग ओपन पेजेस, ओके, तो उसमें क्या होगा, इफ अगर बाय चांस एक पेज बिगड़ा तो दूसरा पेज तो आप सुधार सकते हो ना. नोटबुक में ऐसा होता तो फिर एक बार थोड़ा सा some foundation is there. So always use open pages. Okay, so the next is, okay, this is common data is not there. Okay, so what should be our approach? Okay, see, yes, our approach is, this is for all student, common student. We are in the verge of giving exam within 6 months. So preserve books, notes for each subject that you use, definitely. So what you have to do, what I told you, keep open pages, write the everything on that, and then read it regularly, है ना. read it regularly. ऐसा नहीं आपने लिख लिया और भूल गए. लिखते जाइए, फिर से लिखते जाइए, फिर रिवाइज करते जाइए. थ्योरी पार्ट only once and then numerical various time, है ना. आपने एक पेज लिया, 2 पेज में थ्योरम पूरी कंप्लीट कर लिया, शॉर्ट नोट बना लिया. फिर कुछ पेजेस में फर्स्ट टाइम उसके क्वेश्चंस किए, देन सेकंड टाइम डिफरेंट पेज में उसके नोट्स क्वेश्चंस किए. सो ये जो थ्योरी है ना, इसको तो अलग ही रखिए, इसको मिक्स करके एक साथ क्लब मत करिए. सो ऑल सी, जैसे ये पूरा थ्योरम हो गया, ऑल थ्योरम, थेवेनिन्स हो गया, नॉर्टन्स हो गया, मैक्सिमम पावर हो गया, देन सुपरपोजिशन हो गया, देन मिलीमेंस हो गया. ऑल थ्योरम का थ्योरम पार्ट मींस रिटन पार्ट, थ्योरी पार्ट, इसको अलग पेज में लिखिए. न्यूमेरिकल अलग पेज में करिए, इसको अलग पंच करके रखिए. जब नेक्स्ट टाइम न्यूमेरिकल को रिवाइज करने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है. वी हैव टू सॉल्व डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस और द सेम क्वेश्चन विद डिफरेंट टेक्निक. नॉट ऐसा नहीं कि एक बार सॉल्व कर लिया तो नेक्स्ट टाइम केवल इसको पढ़ रहे हैं, नहीं. हो सकता है उसी क्वेश्चन को आप नेक्स्ट टाइम अलग मेथड से सॉल्व करें. ओके, सो दैट इज आल्सो वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. सो नेवर रिपीट द क्वेश्चन विद द सेम सॉल्यूशन. सी द क्वेश्चन, उसको अलग से फिर सॉल्व करिए. ऐसा नहीं कि उसको पढ़ लिया, नहीं. दैट विल वो आपको केवल रट्टू बना पाएगा. दैट विल नॉट गिव यू नॉलेज. ओके, सो गो स्टेप अहेड एंड स्टडी. ओके, दिस इज फॉर इंग्लिश स्टूडेंट्स. यस, get okay. So see, get questions तो most important है. all previous year get questions. so उसके तो हमको सभी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना ही है. yes, study 2-3 subjects simultaneously. from the very first slide I am telling the same thing. नेटवर्क, कंट्रोल, सिग्नल, मैथमेटिक्स एक साथ में ही होना चाहिए. नेटवर्क, कंट्रोल, सिग्नल, मैथमेटिक्स तो एक साथ में ही होना चाहिए. सो एक बार में अगर आपने 4 सब्जेक्ट कर लिए तो इट इज अराउंड 50%. नेटवर्क, कंट्रोल, सिग्नल कितना देखा था हमने? अराउंड 30%, प्लस इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स अराउंड 10 to 12%. ओके, एंड एप्टीट्यूड डिफरेंट लेंगे. ओके, बट मैथ्स, नेटवर्क, कंट्रोल, सिग्नल, ऑल 4 सब्जेक्ट सिलेबस एक साथ में लिख के रखिए. और जो हमने ब्लैंक पेजेस बोला है, उस ब्लैंक पेजेस में नोट्स बनाते जाइए, लिखते जाइए, बनाते जाइए. ओके, सो स्टडी 20 सब्जेक्ट साइमल्टेनियसली. तो उसका हम divide each subject into subtopic, definitely the same thing I told. then study one subtopic and solve this question. very good. इसलिए तो हम टॉपिक वाइज टेस्ट ले रहे हैं. ट्रांजिएंट का अलग, डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का अलग, एप्लीकेशन ऑफ लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म इन इलेक्ट्रिकल नेटवर्क अलग. ओके, कवर ऑल सब टॉपिक एंड सॉल्व क्वेश्चंस ऑन एंटायर सब्जेक्ट एट द एंड. अब जैसे ही आपका में पूरा नेटवर्क कंप्लीट हो गया, उस सब के क्वेश्चन अभी ट्रांजिएंट के अलग ले लिए, टू पोर्ट के अलग क्वेश्चन ले लिए. नाउ finally we will club all the subtopics and then complete subject test will be there. Okay, now next is, while studying a particular topic, note down all important points and formulas. definitely the same thing I told. and always you never use notebook. That is my approach, but you can use it. If see, girls can make a very beautiful notebook, okay, but mainly my writing is also not good, so I always prefer ki open pages rahenge, so it will be better, for everyone it will be better. Okay, so now let me focus only on GATE 21. बिल्कुल अच्छे सुनिए सभी लोग. टारगेटिंग गेट टू 2021. कितना टाइम है? 6 मंथ्स है हमारे हाथ में, है ना. अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर एंड जनवरी. ओके, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. okay, we have 6 months in there. Now the next is keep last 1.5 months for writing full length test and revision. जितना भी आपको पढ़ना है ये 15 दिसंबर तक कंप्लीट करना. ओके, सो डेडलाइन इज 15 दिसंबर विद रिवीजन. एक बार आपका रिवीजन भी रहना चाहिए 15 दिसंबर तक. सो इट मींस द टॉपिक शुड कंप्लीट ऑन 31 अक्टूबर. वेरी इजी आपका. और देखिए, फॉर गेट एग्जामिनेशन I must say, study, if anybody can study for around 400 hours, है ना. हम क्लासेस तो अराउंड 800 आवर्स लेते हैं. 400 आवर्स अगर कोई पढ़ लेता है शिद्दत से, अच्छे से, then nobody can stop him. 400 आवर्स, अराउंड 40 आवर्स पर सब्जेक्ट. NPTEL के लेक्चर में प्रोफेसर पूरा 40 आवर्स में खत्म कर देते हैं लेक्चर. वो बात अलग है कि उनका लेक्चर देखना बहुत भारी पड़ जाता है, बिकॉज द नॉलेज वाइज दे आर गॉड, but the speed and उस competition के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं. that is for knowledge is good. okay, so 15 December with one time revision, it means 31st October every syllabus must be finished, every topic should be completed. okay, last के 1.5 month किसके लिए? revision के लिए. okay, now complete studying all 8 technical subjects प्लस मैथमेटिक्स एंड जनरल एप्टीट्यूड पूरा हमको करना है. ठीक है, जो हो चुका है उसको पेज में अंडरलाइन करते रहिए. ऑलवेज कीप सिलेबस विद यू. जो भी होते जा रहा है उसको अंडरलाइन करते जाओ, एक बार पेंसिल से. जब दूसरी बार हो रहा है तो इट इज बेटर कि यू विल राइट कंप्लीट सिलेबस बाय योर हैंड ओनली. सो आप जब लिखेंगे तो आपको याद रहेगा, वो डेटा ही याद रहेगा कि अच्छा ये पढ़ना है. नाइक्विस्ट एक बार स्पेलिंग तो लिखोगे हाथ से कंप्लीट सिलेबस का, अंडरस्टूड. सैंपलिंग लिखोगे ना एक बार. सो जब आप लिखते हो तो वो थोड़ा सा डीप माइंड में पहुंचता है, पढ़ते हो तो वो आंखों में ही रह जाता है. सो द कंप्लीशन व्हेन यू विल रिटर्न दिस, है ना. सो कंप्लीशन व्हेन यू विल रिटर्न इट. ओके, सो फॉर गेट 21 it is approximately 20 days. see, 20 days, I told 400 hours means 40 hours per subject. ठीक है, सो अगर 20 डेज है इस सब्जेक्ट में, अगर 2 आवर पर डे दे रहे हो तो जंग जीत गए ना. बट 2 आवर इज वेरी लेस. फ्रॉम नाउ I guess at least 4 to 6 hours is must you have to give, then only we can stand in the competition. Okay, tests are definitely very important. In last 5 months write full length test, definitely test series based on the score, revise topics which are weak. जो भी टॉपिक में आपको टॉपिक वीक लग रहे हैं, see let me tell you my thing. When I have given the gate in one test series, I have seen first time I have seen the LU decomposition. आप जो मैट्रिक्स लिखते हैं ना, LU decomposition, लोअर मैट्रिक्स अपर मैट्रिक्स. सो मैंने पहली बार ही LU देखा था. सोचिए, मैंने उसके पहले किसी जगह पढ़ा ही नहीं था. LU decomposition मीन्स वैसे पढ़ा था लेकिन फॉर गेट मैंने उस टाइम पे कवर नहीं किया था. सो मैंने LU जो भी टेस्ट सीरीज में पेपर होते थे, सो आफ्टर दी टेस्ट सीरीज, वो हमारे टाइम तो हार्ड कॉपी होता था इन 2010. सो वो हार्ड कॉपी हम रखते थे साथ में, और उसको मैं फिर से पूरा रिवाइज करता था कि जो नहीं बना. और यू वोंट बिलीव, वो टेस्ट सीरीज में से इतने ज्यादा क्वेश्चन आई कैन सी इन दी गेट एग्जामिनेशन. इट मीन्स जो टॉपिक हम जैसे एलयूटी कंपोजिशन मुझे नहीं इतना वो था, फोकस नहीं था, लेकिन टेस्ट में आ गया, सो आई कीन। ओके, सो एनी टेस्ट सीरीज, एनी क्लास टेस्ट सीरीज यू कैन ज्वाइन, है ना। बट हमारी जो टेस्ट सीरीज है उसमें तो आपको सब कुछ मिल ही रहा है। सो टॉपिक वाइज, सब्जेक्ट वाइज, फुल लेंथ, ऑल विल बी देयर। ओके, सो यस, अभी तो होगा ये एक जनरलाइज चीज, लेकिन अब जो हम बता रहे हैं इसको अगर आप कर लिए तो आई कैन श्योर यू टॉप 500 तो किसी का भी कहीं नहीं गया, टॉप 500 किसी का भी कहीं नहीं गया। हमेशा हमारे सारे स्टूडेंट गेट के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन को, एक एक क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से डिटेल में, उसके जो सॉल्यूशन है वो कितने तरीके से हो सकते हैं, पूरा ग्रुप में डिस्कस करके आप जब टेस्ट सीरीज देंगे तो मैं सारे गेट के क्वेश्चन उसमें भी डालूंगा प्रैक्टिस कराने के बाद भी। अंडरस्टूड? सो गेट के प्रीवियस ईयर के सारे क्वेश्चन पेपर, ये तो एक बिल्कुल श्योर शॉट, रिपीट नहीं होते हैं गेट में क्वेश्चन, है ना। गेट में क्वेश्चन रिपीट नहीं होंगे, लेकिन कॉन्सेप्ट विल बी द ऑलमोस्ट सेम। ओके, सो यू विल गेट अ फील कि कैसे उनका रहता है। ओके, सो ऑल प्रीवियस ईयर गेट क्वेश्चंस कैन बी फिनिश्ड इन 70 डेज। अगर आप 70 दिन अच्छे से मेहनत करते हैं तो कंप्लीट गेट सिलेबस आपका कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। वो तो हम ही कर देंगे, सारे क्वेश्चंस मैं ही ले लूंगा, कोई बात नहीं है। फुल लेंथ टेस्ट आप 10 टेस्ट फुल लेंथ टेस्ट देंगे और पूरा गेट का क्वेश्चन ईयर, जो प्रीवियस ईयर गेट क्वेश्चंस कवर कर लेंगे। सो 50 मार्क्स, आई एम श्योर 50 मार्क्स कहीं नहीं गए। 50 मार्क्स तो मिनिमम, समझ लो ना, वो मिनिमम बता रहा हूँ, तो वो तो आ ही गए आपको अगर आपने गेट का पूरा सिलेबस मींस गेट के ऑल प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर फ्रॉम जितना हो सके। ऐसा मत पूछो कि 2000 से, कब से, जितना आप पीछे जा सको, 91 से कर लो, 85 से चले जाओ, जहां तक जा सकते हो वहां तक जाओ, बट फिनिश इट। सो दिस इज नथिंग बट दी कंप्लीट श्योर शॉट स्ट्रेटेजी आई कैन टेल यू, है ना। कुछ नया बात नहीं है, देयर इज नो नथिंग न्यू थिंग, ऑल थिंग इज वेरी कॉमन, बट इसको फॉलो करना डिफिकल्ट होता है। ये स्ट्रेटेजी तो कोई भी दे देता है, हर कोई बता देगा, जिसने गेट निकाला हुआ यही बोलेगा ऐसा कर लो, बट जो करता है वही निकालता है, और जो थोड़ा सा भी बीच में जिसको आलस आ गया वो गया। ओके, सो दिस इज गेट एग्जामिनेशन, बट आई ऑलवेज नेम इट गोल्डन गेट, जिसके पार डिफरेंट लाइफ है और जिसके पहले डिफरेंट लाइफ है। डेफिनेटली आफ्टर गेट एग्जामिनेशन, सी आफ्टर आईआईटी के बाद जो होता है ना, वैसा ही ये एक वी कैन से माइलस्टोन है इंजीनियर्स के लिए, है ना। वो इंजीनियर नहीं कहलाएगा, कुछ और कहलाएगा, isn't it? So definitely we have to solve test series, topic wise test series, subject wise test series, full length test series, है ना। and then student can see the scores, analyze, और जो solution है वो हम provide करते हैं। that is nothing but what get series we are providing. so हमारे पास topic wise test series भी है, subject wise भी है, full length test भी है, तो आप ये सब आपको मिलते रहेंगे तो आप definitely you can perform better. okay, so these are the nothing but the features of Get Solution Academy. as you can know, we have the very good team of faculty, है ना। अभिलाष सर है, मैं हूँ, एंड शालीन है, सो श्रीजित सर है, लव है। ओके, सो एंड देन स्टडी मटेरियल के लिए ऐप पे मैंने पूरा बुक डाल के रखा है, नेटवर्क का पूरा बुक है। जो जो टॉपिक आपका होते जा रहा है वो आप करते जाइए, है ना। देन लेक्चर्स, yes definitely we are completing the syllabus on time, and our target is, see, जिसका जो टॉपिक हो चुके हैं वो हो चुके हैं, मैं आज से बात कर रहा हूं, टुडे इज 10th अगस्त, सो 10 अगस्त से पूरा अगस्त, पूरा सितंबर, पूरा अक्टूबर, सो बाय 31 अक्टूबर अगेन, जो आज अगर कोई पढ़ना चालू करता है उसका भी सिलेबस में 31 अगस्त तक पूरा करा दूंगा, ठीक है। तो जो पहले से कर चुका है उसका वो रिवीजन होगा, एंड फ्रॉम टुडे एंड द लेक्चर्स विल बी अवेलेबल ऑन आवर ऐप, पूरा रिकॉर्डेड जो भी हम लेंगे। सो सम लेक्चर आई विल, जो लाइव लेक्चर रहेंगे, एंड सम जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक या कुछ भी सम एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन रहेंगे उसका रिकॉर्डिंग करके आई विल प्रोवाइड। ओके, बट वी हैव टू कंप्लीट द कंप्लीट सिलेबस बाय 31 अक्टूबर। ओके, okay, so this is our Get Solution Academy. You can download the app, then you can go to store, and then it is nothing but the like this our courses is there, है ना। You can see, so there are different videos, files, test. Okay, so I keep updating it every day. Okay, so these are the our rankers, and definitely I am sure कि मुझे तो सबसे पहले तो यहाँ पर सत्यन के पहले यहाँ पर कोई चाहिए. 24 से कम अभी तक नहीं जा पाए हैं. So these are the rankers. This is from LT College. Okay, so यहाँ पर जो आ पाएगा मुझे बहुत इच्छा है. इसको अभी तक मैं पीछे नहीं कर पाया कोई भी. Okay, so please try to be here. ज्वाइन तो आप इस ग्रुप में कभी भी कर सकते हो, लेकिन यहाँ पर होना ही मेरा टारगेट है आप लोगों में से. ठीक है, चलिए. सो वी आर ऑलवेज अवेलेबल. यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट मी, यू कैन व्हाट्सअप मी ऑन दिस नंबर. दिस इज माय नंबर. You can see the website, you can mail us, you can website, and app is most good thing we have done. So you can download the app and you can see all the lectures, everything there. Okay, so strategy is very much clear to everyone, and please feel free to contact me, feel free to ask anytime. This is night 1 o'clock, so I will be awake up to 4 o'clock morning. So tab tak jo bhi doubt hai you can discuss with me. Yes, okay. With this, all the best for GATE 21. For GATE 22 also बहुत टाइम है, लेकिन GATE 21 का ही अभी हम टारगेट करते हैं, क्योंकि GATE 22 जो देगा वो भी GATE 21 दे सकता है. So why not to clear GATE examination in this year and enjoy final year of your university, isn't it? That would be better. मैं मेरा बताता हूँ मैं कैसे करता हूँ. बात है 2010 की. ठीक है, so in 2010 मैं एक कॉलेज में पढ़ाता था. ठीक है, सो इवनिंग में मतलब मॉर्निंग में सुबह रहता था कॉलेज 10 बजे. ठीक है, मॉर्निंग में कॉलेज 10 बजे रहता था. मैं रात को मैं उठता था सुबह 8:30 पे, 9 बजे तक फ्रेश होके कॉलेज के लिए निकलता था. ठीक है, 10 से शाम को 5 बजे तक कॉलेज पढ़ाता था. उसके बाद में मैं कॉलेज में बैठ के ही पढ़ता था 5 से 9 बजे तक, कॉलेज में ही बैठ के, है ना. पूरा सब चलाते थे, मैं अकेला बैठता था. गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज था, गवर्नमेंट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज. देन आफ्टर 9 डिनर करके फिर जाता था घर पे, और रात को 10 बजे फिर पढ़ने बैठता था, और सुबह की 4 बजे तक कंटिन्यूअसली पूरे 6 महीने. 5 जुलाई 2010 को मैंने चालू करी थी प्रिपरेशन एंड गेट 2011 के लिए. अंडरस्टूड. सो ये 2 मेरे टाइमिंग थे, और इसके बाद में मैं 10 से 5 कॉलेज में करता था. एंड जब कॉलेज में ब्रेक होता था 12:30 to 1:30, तब मैं उसी जो कॉलेज में एक बेंच होती थी उस बेंच पे ही सोता था. इसमें लंच करके सो भी रहा, ताकि मैं रात को अच्छे से पढ़ सकूं. नींद तो मैंने छोड़ दी थी, वेट भी बढ़ गया था, सब कुछ वो हुआ था. लेकिन जब गेट क्लियर हो गया, सब जॉब हो गया, देन आई सेटल्ड. तो डेफिनेटली कॉलेज के लेक्चर रहेंगे, सम फाउंडेशंस रहेगा, सब कुछ रहेगा. बट if you want this, then you have to work hard. Okay, if you want PSU, then you have to work hard. So there is no other way of hard work. कुछ option है ही नहीं. And this is nothing but the gate. I am telling you, this is golden gate. After gate, the life is totally different. Before gate, life is totally different for engineer. है ना? Definitely other option is also there. But for the, if आपने देखा ना 3 Idiots, अगर आप इंजीनियरिंग करके फिर बैंक में जॉब करो तो दैट इज नॉट दी दिस वन. इन द सेम वे, इफ यू वांट टू बी इन टेक्निकल फील्ड, देन यू हैव टू क्लियर द गेट एग्जामिनेशन. ओके, सो प्लीज कीप मोटिवेटेड. यू कैन डू इट. डेफिनेटली स्वामी विवेकानंद कहते हैं, यू कैन डू, ऑल पावर इज विद इन यू, यू कैन डू एवरीथिंग एंड एनीथिंग. बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ. सो जस्ट कभी नेक्स्ट टाइम नहीं आता, दिस इज द टाइम. ओके, आज ही पेड़ लगाओ, फल मिलेगा. करते जाओ डेली, डेफिनेटली, रेगुलरली, स्लोली चलेगा. जो जिस स्पीड से कर सकता है उस स्पीड से करे. फिर IIT नहीं तो NIT. जो अगर सोचे कि अब मैं तो अगली बार ही करूंगा, जैसे सम पीपल स्टूडेंट आर टेलिंग मी, समवन इज जॉइंड एंड देन सर मैं तो अगली बार करूंगी, इस बार नहीं हो पा रहा. सो नाउ फॉर द नेक्स्ट ईयर अगेन शी विल सफर. सो ट्राई इट, एटलीस्ट ट्राई इट. If it is not possible, then we will think any other thing. But try at your best. Best try करो अपना. With this, we will sign off. Okay, so I need your photos who have attended. I need photo here. Okay, फोटो यहाँ तो चाहिए लेकिन यहाँ पर चाहिए, यहाँ पर। इसको हराओ कोई जल्दी से, बहुत टाइम हो गया इसको। ओके, चलिए, विद दिस वी विल एंड आवर सेशन। बाय बाय, टेक केयर।